hello, hey to everyone. So today I am here on the observation deck of National Library. It's one of the highest buildings in my country. Yes, you can see the flag, and you see it's so much windy here. Yeah, and I'm wearing such warm clothes. Yeah, and you can see all the beauty from above. Yeah. Oh, honestly, I didn't know does it work or no, but maybe yeah, maybe it works if you put the coin here, so maybe it works, but now nothing. It doesn't work at all. So there is a nice river canal here. Yeah, which flows in this part of the city. Oh my gosh, yeah. And even it's autumn, I guess it is so much fantastic and beautiful. Yeah, the sky is gray today and no sun, but okay. We can make this day and it can become bright and sunny. Today I'm here again with my Filipino friend. Hey, wave to them, yes. So one of the modern districts in Minsk, Mayak. Oh, what a beauty! So we are coming downstairs, and here on the left you can see one of the modern districts in our capital city. It's Mayak. Well, real estate is expensive here, so not everyone can afford to buy apartments here. But, well, we can walk, we can enjoy, we can see, and at night is so much beautiful. I hope I will be able to make a video with night lights, and you also can see it. We are inside. Yes, and now we're going to visit our museum. I guess it's not just a little museum opening the door and coming inside. Okay, one more door is here. And we are about to search. Where is that museum? Okay. Oh, it's here. You know, it's fantastic because it's all here. After outside the moon. Yeah. We're going, I guess it's like art pictures gallery, yeah, so you can enjoy some pictures here. Who likes art, so this place is for that person. So come here and enjoy. Well, I guess here you can see some pictures connected to the past. Well, and black and white. Black and white. Oh, come here. This is National Library, yeah, and here is about the year when it was built, and you can see, yeah, you can see their square, the area, everything connected to the National Library. And by the way, here is QR code. You can scan and you can get more information. Yeah? Okay. Coming. Oh, it's really warm here. Maybe not so great because outside is cold and here it's too warm. But a great chance to warm up myself. Okay, and if you're tired, you can relax here. And you can, okay, by the way, there is a cafe. You can buy coffee, some snack, biscuits. Well, and you can enjoy, or you can bring yours and enjoy here as well. Oh, look Look, this is Trinity suburb, Nemiga. Oh, I like this place so much. It's beautiful. It's beautiful not only in summer, all the year round. Independence Palace. And yeah, the Museum of Great Patriotic War. So the ones who are crazy about history, it's worth visiting this place. It's a bit
So let's go.
Yeah, let's go. And coming down. Ooh. Sun is coming out. Hello, sun. And no one cares about COVID, just you wearing this face mask. I thought you were gonna be alone here.
So not faithful.
No.
Спасибо. Yeah.
Are you filming? So now we are outside and you can admire these diamonds from outside. Oh, and it's shining here in the sun south, it's shining. Look, it's November and the grass is still green. Wow! It's really fantastic and awesome. And we are moving to the entrance. It is main entrance to the library. Yeah, entrance to the observation deck. It's just the opposite side. You need go around the library. And here, just for people who want to read books, search information. So yeah, and well, we are right here, and who is the first Belarusian publisher, and actually even Bible was translated by him into our language. Yeah. So hey, you are so famous and outstanding. Do you like reading? Do you like reading? So leave the comments below. Do you like reading, or now it's not so essential? You can just watch videos. Let me know in comments below. These art is not understandable for me. What is that?
Abstract.
Okay. Theater of I don't got the pause.
Cut.